Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I hope you guys are all having a very good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Our group is here. We're going to be presenting to you about our application named Rehat. It is an application about sleep deprivation detection. It can be used for personal, community, and also event purpose. So without further ado, let's jump into the first topic, which is the background of our application that will be delivered by Raihan Hakim.
According to our findings, research from Zep Health, which is a smart wearable company, stated that Indonesia needs the least amount of sleep, about 6.5 hours per day. And also, from a survey conducted by Ernst team from Indonesia, 40% people within productive age sleep for only 5 to 6 hours per day. According to American Psychological Association, sleep deprivation can cause these effects.
What we're looking for, here we want to have monitoring sleep deprivation cohesion to maintain sleep quality and to maintain community's performance quality. What are the advantages? There are two advantages, either for personal or for community. For personal, we can check the personal condition of sleep deprivation. And for community, we can detect if community members are having sleep deprivation or not and how it affecting their work by creating a room feature with hosts.
For our target market cited from bps.go.id, there are more than 144 millions of people in Indonesia falls within the labor force category. With the age range more than 15-year-old, we aim for about 1% or 1.4 million people to be our application users. We targeted any profession from our target market because we have three market features. The first one is individual or personal use is that when someone wants to detect on how bad that person is having a sleep deprivation. And then the second one we have the community use for planned agenda, which is when a community having an important event or meetings to keep track all the attendees should be in a good condition. And for the unplanned agenda is when a community wants to keep track of their members' sleep deprivation regularly led by a host.
Next to the app flow, start from onboarding page, login page, sign up page if you have an account, then go to dashboard page, which has 5 main page feature: edit, profile, community, camera, history, education, each having on its features like agenda page, deprivation analysis page. They are related to each other, then education content in the tile. Okay, let's start to the demo. Splash screen. This is onboarding screen, text motivation and banner illustration. Login and let's login. Okay, this is the dashboard. Next to the community feature, you can click in here and create your community. Switch another account, paste the invitation code, it's worked properly. After that, I fill this field with code invitation and yeah, I join. Let's try to education feature. Okay, try to our main feature. This is sleep analytic deprivation using face camera detection. Okay, this is the result for sleep deprivation analytic feature. I lead, I back with probability value from 0 to 1. 1 that means it's bad and 0 it's good. You can save your data analytic. This is our legal document to share with your members, share with your community.
There are some similar apps we had, but we have our unique features. The goal relate to a better sleep feature in a unique way and also concern about community productivity.
Okay, so this is our application roadmap. In the third quarter of 2022, we want to build and test the prototype application and also gathering feedback from the users. In the last quarter of 2022, we want to finalize and releasing the apps and also we aim to gain roughly 21,000 monthly users. In the first two quarter of 2023, we want to release new feature for detecting wrinkles and also using sleep audio to detect sleep apnea and gain roughly 42,000 subscription.
Our income sources came from monthly membership, starting from 20,000 to 40,000 rupiah, and also from advertisement. And we expect our product to generate annual revenue of 6.7 billion rupiah